Yeah, because Sean just got here. It was pretty tough.
Videoing it? Yep. I'm gonna cut Connor's knuckle.
Hold it tight, Connor. I don't have a chicken.
Well, no, he said, no, the police officer
Is it done too easy then?
things are double locked. They can't clamp down 8 times.
Oh my gosh. Get ready for it.
What?
Mom's getting ready to go out.
Yeah.
Yeah. The cop said that if he keeps trying, he could break his wrist, so. I know, that's, yeah. There's no sense anybody getting any more pissed off than I am.
Dad, don't cut your knuckle.
So the whole important thing is right now is to get him shot. Yeah.
It'd be easier just to cut your hand off. Really.
No!
Yeah, we're just holding that.
Thank you. Bye. Alright, Dad's looking for bolt cutters.
Yeah.
And one.
Start with the first one. Keep it up straight.
So Ryan, what are you up to tonight?
She's bored. She thought she'd see what idiots do.
Oh, are you videotaping it?
Oh yeah.
We can look back on this and just laugh a bit.
I bet. Watch.
Yeah, I know. So I'm trying not to do.
I meant your son's fingers too.
Oh, that's okay. He
Okay.
deserves it.
Did you want to look at the excitement too? Are you gonna post that on YouTube, Ryan?
Sure.
I should have brought a pair of dikes. I could probably have cut that stuff. Let me see something. Let me just look how they're made. Do the cops look how they're made?
Yeah, the cops have thingies. They just tighten it. They just push the button so they wouldn't tighten it even more. But
where's the key? Inside there?
yeah, the key's inside.
Oh, that was just.
You broke the key?
No, we have
No,
the
you
key.
got it turned inside out.
Yeah, that's the whole problem. We got the keys on, it's just that they're locked on there inside out.
Oh my gosh. Dad.
You okay, Ryan?
Right?
Dad, don't cut your knuckle.
No, it's gonna hit. Stick your finger in there, Connor. Because if we hit his artery, Connor,
Yeah.
we won't be able to put a Band-Aid on.
I got it.
Don't go that fast for me. Slow down.
Slow down, Dad. Let me see where we're at.
Slow down.
I can feel it. It'll change pitches. I can hear it. I'm a professional.
Sean,
I'm a professional.
can you put this underneath there so when you hit metal, you hit metal?
Yeah.
Is that a knife? Let's add that.
It's a paper cutter.
Yeah, because it's definitely a good idea.
Just go slow.
Here, put it down.
Riley, it's gonna be
We're almost
okay.
here. Ready, Riley? Alright,
Are you
like we had it
almost
before. Yeah, we almost got them separated.
Oh, so once you can cut it, you can put the key in. Yeah,
You alright, Riley? No
or
pain?
just put a towel in there like I said
Connor,
before.
can you, Riley, can you hold your wrist like this so it doesn't shake?
Watch out for my.
I'm not watching out. You deserve it. Watch out for your thumb.
Alright, Sean's almost all the way through. Sean's almost all the way through.
Got it. Oh my gosh.
Good thing your thumb was
Mom
there.
got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Here, now I'm gonna lock it, right?
This is so stupid. I think it's documented. Rip Cody.
They wouldn't even call the fire. Ryan's videotaping it and posting on YouTube on
At least now you don't have to worry about connecting them. Two different handcuffs.
Yeah, I went down to my freaking fingernail.
I don't.
My eyes.
No, let me see that. Oh, that is a
Thank you.
I guess it's not.